Want to stream your Nintendo Switch directly to Discord? Here is the step-by-step guide. First, grab a capture card that connects your Switch to your PC or laptop. Plug the Switch into the card, then the card into your computer via USB. Open software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs. Add your capture card as video source, display capture, and then OK, and then add your display as the capture card. Now, open Discord on your PC, join the voice channel where you want to stream, and then click on Share Your Screen, and here you're going to be able to see OBS. Just click Share Screen. And your Switch gameplay is now streaming straight into your Discord server. And that's how you can stream Nintendo Switch to Discord, smooth, simple, and ready for your friends to watch live. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.